Hello and welcome, dear Counter-Strike community. Today we are releasing our bot replay functionality here at SEL, and believe it or not, this is actually a bot performing these very human-like actions. We're gonna show you exactly how you can benefit from using this feature, and you will be able to access it at sel.gg right after this video. Let's get started. One of the most basic examples here is you can make a recording and a bot will mimic exactly what you've done, and in this case you can for instance see exactly how nades are being thrown, for instance when making an execute. So to begin with, all you do is you type .record and then you give the recording an alias. So in this case I'll call it stairs because we're gonna smoke stairs and do some flashes. Now the recording is live and everything we do from here on the bot will mimic. So simply throw the regular stair smoke, or whatever you feel like you want the bot to do. And in this case, I'll just throw some extra flashes. And now I'm pretty happy with the recording, so I'll type stop record. And, you know, if you make a mistake during the recording, you can just type .record again to overwrite it. But if you're happy with it, simply type store replay, and it will be stored to your SEL inventory. Now, I want to play this and see how it performs, so I can basically type .play stairs. So .play and then the alias we selected before. And now as we can see, the bot has been generated on the other part of the map, and eventually we should see some smokes and flashes coming in here, which is really useful because you don't need to spare a teammate to simply see what kinds of flashes you have to dodge. And yeah, and after this, the recording is done, the bot is being kicked, and there you go. Now let's move on to another example. So this example I really enjoy, and I think it's very beneficial for IGLs or coaches. What you can do here is, or what I will do here is, I'll create a recording for a player that in my team is playing Palace, for instance. So let's call it .record Palace. Now I might want the player to play in a specific way, so I can just show I want you to peeky this, this, and then I want you to throw this Molotov, and I want you to throw this flashbang. And after that I want you to wide CT. But instead of having to show the player over and over again, we have a recording that the player can watch whenever they feel like it. So we stop the recording and we store the replay, and if you forgot what you call the replay, simply type .replays and it will be listed. So in this case, we will generate or play up the recording we just created, and we can show it for the teammate who plays Palace, and they will know exactly how to do it. So, as you can see, the bot jiggle peeks just the way we want them to, and throws Molotovs and flashes. And there you go. A very easy way to basically simulate how you want a player to play without having to show them over and over again. And you can do this for all the players in your team, and as a coach or IGL, I think it will save a lot of time. You can also utilize, let's play this one again, so let's do play Palace, and then you can utilize the spec command. And then you will see in first person view as well, which is super useful of course, because there are details. And yeah, some graphics or animations might not be exactly on point right now, as it is a beta product, so we really appreciate any feedback you can share with us. This really awesome feature can be found at sel.gg, and everything you have to do is basically log in to your account, click start server, and this feature is accessible in the practice server. So you basically click it, and whatever map you feel like you want to play, and you start practice server. And worth noting is that we store all your grenade lineups and bot replays for future use. And sel.gg is totally free to use, so check it out. Have a good day. Bye.